Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on a Chevy Impala. If your Impala look like this or like this, same car, same procedure, there's no difference. So what we're going to change in this car is our, I don't know if you can see it back there, it's our vacuum pump, not vacuum pump, or a heater coolant pump. So this one is the pump that pump the coolant through the, or you can call it the auxiliary pump. It pump the coolant through the heater core in the car. So I don't know why they need it, but hey, that's how they engineer a car. This is the car with the 4-cylinder, by the way. So it's gonna have the pump between the firewall and the engine. So you're gonna have the firewall over here, engine over here, guys. And the all data said I should take out the battery and the battery tray. So but I'm gonna see if I can take it off from here, because it's just 2 holes, 1 clip right here and 2 holes. And if I can unclip the hoses from down here, I'm just gonna take it off from down here, because if I gotta take it up from the top, they say I have to remove the battery, remove the battery tray, remove the engine cover at the top. And so I'm gonna try it this way. If it don't work this way, then I do that way. So let's get started. I can tell it's more than enough space for me to take that out right here, so I'm pretty confident it's gonna work. So guys, actually they call this the auxiliary water pump, and you can see the part number is right here, part number, and this is what the pump look like. So definitely I don't need to take out the hose. Definitely I don't need to take out the battery tray, I should say. I don't know where I get hose from, because the pump can fit through right here. And once the pump can fit through right here, guys, that's all I need. And my hand can fit up in there, remove that 10mm on the back, and that's all I need. Hey, so we have to drain out all the we gotta drain out all the coolant from the system. So we're gonna take this clip out right here from the bumper, because there's like a drain plug for your radiator. There's a drain plug for your radiator right here, but if you loosen the bumper down a little bit, you might have to take out these guys. But since I removed this clip down a little bit, my hand can go in there. So get my hand up in here, and that's what we're gonna take out, so the coolant can drain out. So we just have something to catch the coolant when it come out. All right, so it's draining, but it's draining real slow, guys. But to solve the draining slow problem, you just have to open the radiator reservoir at the top. Alright guys, so once that's finished drain, you want to come to the back, and then you want to locate the plug. I'm gonna see if I can give you a better view. So yeah, you want to locate the plug, squeeze the plug right here. So here's the plug. It's gonna have this white clip. You want to push up on the white clip and then squeeze it back, and it will unplug just like that. And now we're gonna take off these holes. So we're gonna get like a pliers or something to remove the holes. So guys, now we have like a clamp puller right here. I'm gonna connect it right here. Squeeze the clamp. Once we squeeze the clamp, we can remove it. So we need to remove the clamp from the hose itself. Alright. Alright, so we got one clamp off. I need to do the same thing for the other one. If I can get this tool on it, would be great. If not, I probably gotta use the pliers. Alright guys, so we just gotta remove this right here. So I'm gonna put this on this, put the pliers on it to get it turning, just like that. So once you get it turning, you can take this hose off, but make sure you have something underneath so it can fall into. Alright, so now we gotta take this 10mm loose. It's only just one 10mm that hold it. So now the pump is loose. So now we gotta fight with this right here. So guys, we're gonna take out the pump now. I already take the hose loose. I don't know if you can see it. So you see, even though the computer said I should take off the take it off from the top, but didn't want to do that. So alright guys, so what I did, I put a little silicone lube on the pump just to get the hose to go on it, like very easy. So I don't think I can hold it and show it to you guys, so but that's the next step, is to install the hose.
Hey, Momo, you gotta check that gray Optima, right?
Huh?
You gotta check.
So I got both holes on it, and now I set it up so now I can just put in the 10mm. So once I get the 10mm in, the camera fall down. But once I get the 10mm in, it's just to tighten it up and put the clamp back on the hose. So let's do that. So guys, you just want to double check your rear, make sure everything is nice and clean. You can spray this down with some brakes cleaner to clean it up, or rinse it off with some water or something. And over here, you want to make sure you tighten that back up, put back your clip, or however many clips you take out to get your hand to fit back there. So once that's done guys, I'm gonna lower the car and add some coolant in it. So guys, just add back here, add some coolant. I put new coolant in this, so just take this off, add the coolant, let the car warm up. So this system constantly bleeds itself, so once you have the correct amount of coolant in it, just let it, you can see right here, you can see the bubble flashing. So it's going to constantly bleed itself, so just leave it, let it be. Put the correct amount of fluid, coolant in it. When it will go down, you put some more when the car cool off. But apart from that, just let it run until it warm up and add coolant as needed. And also you want to come and change the 14 fuse. The reason why I changed the pump is because this fuse keep on blowing for the pump, and the pump located in the back. So guys, you want to make sure you have the car on till the car reach the operating temperature, or until the fan come on, while you have the heater on as well, so the car can bleed all the air out the system. And with that said, we're gonna go for a test drive, guys. It's gonna be the end of the video. You gotta clear the code too, so you can go to AutoZone or something, have them clear the code after you fix the part. But yeah guys, peace out, see you next time.